In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create inventory procs in QuickBooks Online. Before you begin, make sure you are using QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, as inventory tracking is only available with these plans. Also ensure that inventory tracking is enabled in your account settings. To get started, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner and select account and settings. Go to Sales tab, then click the edit icon in the products and services section. Turn on show product or service column on sales forms. Track quantity and price rate, and track inventory quality on hand. Once you have enabled these options, click Save, then Done. Next, open the Products and Services page by clicking the Settings icon and selecting Products and Services, or by going Sales in the left-hand menu and choosing Products and Services. Click New or add an item. Then select Inventory as the item type. Now fill in your inventory details. Enter the product name, optional SKU, and category if needed, and your current quantity on hand. Choose the as of date and set a reorder point if you'd like low stock alerts. Confirm the inventory asset account, then enter your sales information, including the product description, sales price, income account, and tax settings. Under the purchasing section, enter the purchase description, cost, expense account, and if applicable, select your preferred vendor. Once you have reviewed all the information, click Save and Close to create the inventory product, or Save and New if you want to add another item right away. And now you know how to create inventory products in QuickBooks Online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.